This is the second video of a tutorial Roblox series. Today we'll explain how client and server script works, what's the difference between client and server, and basically all the basics within the scripts and modes that it can be in. So let's get into it. As you can see, this is the last place we've used. So basically, where you want to put the scripts, right? This is the first question you might ask. So for server side scripts, you want to use this server script service. You can put it in workspace, but don't do that. Just put it in the server script service, nowhere else. For local scripts, you'll be putting it into either those two or strategy UI. Depends if you are doing like UI scripts. For UI scripts, it's better to just put it in the strategy UI. So yeah, we'll show that. And in replicated storage or server script storage, there are also model scripts, which are model scripts, and they are used to like help configure these scripts if you want it to be like more modular, but that's more advanced, so we won't be doing that today. So let's get into it. So as first, let's make some Roblox server script, right? So you'll click the plus, click the server, right? When you open the first script, you'll have hello world, right? Also make sure you have the output enabled in script and output. So when you click F5 to test play, here you can see hello world and server. It's a green. If it's blue or here it says client, it means the server, the script is running on client side, not server side. So, and also make sure that you know the difference. So once more, script, which is server script, is host the game state, right? And client script or local script, to be more exact, basically just shows the visuals and requests. So never make a logic into the client if it's vital. We'll be discussing that in future videos. So basically here you can type game, right? This is the data model. As you can see, refers to the data model as singleton, the root instance of a place hierarchy. So basically the game is basically all within the Roblox game. Then you can do double dot and get service, right? Basically services are workspace, players, lighting, and all of these are services. There are other ones, but we'll not be getting into them today. Then you'll do like this. So let's like print the player's name when he joins. So you want to go to players, then dot player added, right? That is when a player enters the experience. Basically, this means whenever a player joins, this will be ran. Then we connect to the function. We'll make the function like this, and the player, right? We'll remove the last thing. Then this is how it looks, right? Now let's make print player. Basically, this is the object. This is what are we printing, right? And here you can see all the things. And let's say we want the name, so we'll just do print player name with double dots. You connect the text, so you can do this, joined the game, and when we run it, shadow follower join the game, right? It's easy, nothing hard. And basically server script is always above the client, right? uh, so basically, I'll just say it once more and for last. Never put logic, either leader stats like money, like XP, nothing into local script like the logic. Always put it in the script, right? I can show you the difference. So basically, let's say I'll put the local script here, right? Local means defining the variable. So let's say local player, so player is the variable, and it will be equal to game, so all the games, and the service players. And basically local player, this only works on local script on the client side, because the server is not within the player. So you can do this, and you can do print, or better, player, right, the team, right, and we can make another team, hello team 2 for example, and change the team color, right? We'll disable this, equals to game dot teams, and let's say hello team 2, right? And I'll show you what will happen. So basically you can see I'm hello to team 2, right? But this is only the client. This is not actually what other people see. This is only what I see. Basically, if I'll switch to a server and go here, then you can see I'm still hello team. But when I do this exact thing in server script, and with the double dashes you make a comment out of it. So basically, if I do the same thing here, player dot team equals game dot teams dot hello team 2, and I'll run it, you can see seems the same, right? But it's not, because this script was run by server, not the client, which means when I'll go to the server view, here you can see I'm hello team 2, not hello team 1 anymore. So that's the main difference between the client and server. And basically, if I'll print something here, you can see this is blue and it says client, not the green and server. So this is the main things in the within the client and server things, right? And then you have the model script. I can just show you how it looks. So basically, this is how the model script looks like, right? You can write functions here or anything like that, but we'll get back into it in the later stages of this video. So thank you for watching. Hope it helps, and have a nice day. Goodbye.